Hello everyone, this is Parvez from ThriveDesk, and today I am going to show you how you can use WordPress form plugin to send your form data to ThriveDesk. To do so, you need to create an inbox first. So as you can see, I have already created a demo inbox inside my ThriveDesk workspace. So let's go into the inbox, and you can see there is no email right now. So let's copy the inbox address for now and go to your WordPress site. So you can see I have so many form plugin installed on this site, and I will show you every form plugin one by one. So let's dive into the contact form 7 first. So I have contact form 7 already comes with this default contact form 1 plugin when you install the form. So let's go and edit this form. So I'm not going to change anything in this form at this point. So I leave it as it is now. My main concern is this mail settings. So you see the two forms, I need to put my inbox address here. So as of it now, this is demo.typedesk.email for my inbox address. Now go and save the form, and you can see there is a short code from this form. So I have already created a page for contact form 7, and if I go to this page, I see these forms. So now let's fill up these forms. Paste form, this message. So now let's submit this form, and once you submit, you will see the thank you message from WordPress. And one thing to remember, you definitely need a WordPress SMTP plugin for your site to deliver email to our inbox or any inbox you want. So I have already installed the Fluent SMTP plugin, which is free and of course a very good plugin. So I already set up this plugin and connected to my SMTP provider, which is SendGrid for this demo. But you can set any SMTP provider you want. So let's go to the. You can see I already have a one inbox notification in my address. So if I go to the demo panel and see, I have my email received here. So this is the default email you see from sending from contact from 7, and it's coming from themeexpert@gmail.com, which I have entered on my from field. So if I replay this thank you email, address will send an email to this email address, which is themeexpert@gmail.com. So if I go to my Gmail inbox, and you see the replay is already here. Here is thank you, and we have satisfaction ratings and all sort of things. So now there is contact form 7. Let's go to the Fluent Forms settings. So there is no form at this point. So create a new form. I'm going to create a contact form, and I leave it the form as it is. Now I go to the settings and integration panel, email notifications tabs, and I have to enable these settings. Then I go to the action settings, and you see this is sent to email is set to WP admin email. You can set to WP admin email, but for this case I am going to set my inbox address for this email. So here is my email address, and there is one thing to remember for Fluent Forms. You have to set the reply to email address here, and which will be the email field, the input email fields, where will the when you from ThriveDesk you will send the reply, it will directly go to the recipient email address. So now save this form. Save button, saving this form. Okay, so I have the shortcode here. Let's copy this shortcode. Uh, Page, add new. Shortcode, paste the shortcode here, publish it. Now the view the page. So here's the default Fluent form. I'm going to fill the same details as before. Hello from Fluent Form. This is test message. So let's submit this form. So you have all the form data submitted. So let's go to the ThriveDesk inbox. Go to demo. I have to wait a bit because this ticket is active. Let's close this ticket so I can see all the latest tickets in my inbox. So you can see the counter has changed, and here you go the Fluent Form email, and you can see the output is different. So you can set up as many field you want in your Fluent Form, and you will see this message like here. So let's go and close this message, and inside your WordPress, let's set up another form. And I believe you have already got the point how to set up all these forms. So let's create a ninja form here. I will create a contact us form. It takes few minutes depending on your internet connection to import the form settings from their database. So I think it's taking an usual amount of time. Not sure why. So let's go to the inbox settings and copy the email address again. So you see, whenever you create an inbox inside ThriveDesk, you will have a email address provided by ThriveDesk. So if you don't like this email address, it's fine. You can connect your own branded email address for this. Now I say contact at thrivedesk.com. Sorry. You can go ahead and connect your own branded email address. We'll send a code for verification. When you verify your ownership of this email address, then we'll give you the CNAME and other DNS record to set. So when you are all set, you will see the email address is coming from that particular branded email address instead of the default inbox email address. So I don't know why it's taking so long. So leave this form plugin beside, and let's go WPForms, create a new forms. I'll just create a simple contact form, leave all the settings here. Then in settings tab, notifications tab, send to email address, I will again use my email inbox email address here, and I will from email you can set the from email from here to the field ID 1, which is the recipient email address, instead of okay, there is also a replay to, so I can leave it as it is for now. So replay to is the from email address. Save it, select, create a new page, WP contact form. So the WP contact form is already created, and I don't know where is error loading. It's blocking the email address. Let's publish it and see what happened. The form is here. So if I put my name, my email address, hello from WP contact form. Okay, so the form data is already submitted, and I go to my inbox. Let's wait for a second. Wait for a few seconds. Then you will see the email address. Email automatically comes into your inbox without refreshing the page. may take some time to send email from your SMTP provider. Is there any log? Let me check. See the entries. I don't think I can see the entry. I'm not sure why the form data is not been sent yet. Or forms. Let's hit the refresh. It's not there. So there is something wrong in WordPress end. And I am still not sure why this email address is not sending. Probably the JSON error it showed earlier on send. I think it didn't save the email address. So let's save it again. Refresh this page for double check. Yeah, it's saved. Now this is called simple contact form. Close this, preview this form, and if I fill hello form WP forms, submit. I believe this time it will work if it sets the email address properly. Yeah, you see, the without any refresh the email just pops. So here is the WP form email name, email address, and hello there. You can replay and do whatever you want. So that's for now from this video. I hope you understand how to create a form inside your WordPress site and send this email to ThriveDesk Inbox. So whenever your client communicate with your site from your email forms, so you will get the email right inside your ThriveDesk email. So I will see you in next video. Bye bye.